We are recording. These are our teams. We do have some trades. P-Fud has the Steelers. Master E has the Jags and Bears now. Jay Spartan has the Browns Falcons. JT Butlin has the Ravens Colts. Jay Verts has the Chiefs. Bean Bucket has the Bills. And Lake Sports has the Broncos. All right, here we go. We're going to do 5-star first. I'm going to do 5-star first. Jags, Giants, and Bears. Oh, my. All right. Let me get something to... Where are my dummy cards at? I'll just use a pack of cards. First base card. 84 of 208, LaShawn McCoy for the Eagles. It's been one of those kind of nights. LaShawn McCoy everywhere. For the Colts, T. Rich. Trent Richardson. For the Colts, 180 of 208. We're going to take the relic off the back. 38 of 87. Justin Hunter for the Titans. Now we have some autographs. Oh, no, one more base. Sorry. One more base card. Arian Foster for the Texans. I forgot there was 3 base cards, not 2. 27 of 208. Now we have the autographs. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3, 4 color. 9 of 55. E.J. Manuel. Lake, every time, Lake. I'm telling you, every time you do it. That's the nicest patch I've seen in 5-star RPAs so far. You got to just stop trading, dude. I mean, it's every time. DeAndre Hopkins. 112 of 130. How about Eric Dickerson for a team that was trying to be traded? 2-color patch, 22 of 40. For a team that was trying to be traded. DC Pens wanted the Steelers. Kept the Rams, though, because dummy me bought the Steelers. And the last one is a book. Triple Relic, 23 of 38. Stephen Ridley for the Patriots. Stephen Ridley for the Patriots. At least you got a hit with the Patriots now. All right, that's our 5-star. All right, now now we're on to the NT. There was some really nice stuff. There was a 101 LaShawn McCoy patch auto. We got a nice Eddie Lacy patch, dual patch auto. Got a Monte Ball jumbo jersey number auto. So there was some decent stuff in there. It was like, yeah, it was part of the Eagle beak, Clowney. It was part of the beak. It was definitely part of the Eagle head. Michael Buchanan, 30 of 99. Slide these out of the way because I'm into the other size now. Yeah, they do. You're right about that. Mr. Peyton Manning, if I can get that box to stay up. Peyton Manning base card, 25 of 99. We got a Deer valued collector. Timeline signature materials, prime team nicknames. Antonio Gates for the Chargers. Justin Houston for the Chiefs. 5 of 25 timelines. No, it'll say Chiefs. It'll say Chiefs. It's a team nickname. Or it'll say the Chargers. I'm sorry. I was holding the Chiefs card when I said that. That's why. Quentin Patton, Vance McDonald, 69 of 99 for the 49ers. Uh-oh. Colossal, 1 of 25, 3-color patch, C.J. Spiller for the Buffalo Bills. The Buffalo Bills doing some work. Kevin Minter, rookie card, 19 of 99 for the Cardinals. Took a lot of lorazepam. Ezekiel Ansah for the Lions, 38 of 49. Woo! Landry Jones, 2-color RPA for the Steelers. Oh, I'm sorry. I left that up. We could run this one again if we have enough interest. We can run it again if we have enough interest. How was your birthday dinner, Mitch? And for the Green Bay Packers, jumbo jersey number Eddie Lacy, 4 of 99. Very nice box. Last box of the break. got one of those skinny autographs. Skinny autographs. Alrighty, for the Chiefs, Michael Carapono, 64 of 99. Can't even hardly see that guy's name. It was too shiny. Cecil Shorts, the third, 6 of 25 for the Jaguars. For the Bucks, Dougie Fresh, Pro Bowl jersey. For the Chiefs, Nile Davis, one color, one color, one color, one color. Nine of 10, three-color patch, Cameron Wake. Cameron Wake for the Dolphins. The next card is not autographed, but it is nice. Eddie Lacy, two color, two color, two color, two color. 7 of 25 for the Pack Attack. Now the autographs. Philip Thomas, 14 of 25 for the Redskins. Three autos left. Curly Robinson for the Saints, 35 of 99. Curtis, my favorite, Martin for the Jets, Jets. Josh does. And the last hit of the break for the Eagles and G-Dub, 41 of 99. Zach Ertz for G-Dub. G-Dub killing it. Night, Jay Burtz. Thanks for jumping in, buddy. Yes, very nice, Eric Dickerson. You guys want to try to run that again? All right, Nelson. Probably don't have enough to run it again tonight. It's midnight. I'll line it and see